Hi, planning to pursue a law career, but confused about which institute to choose that will add value to your career. Hi, I am Tushar, and before I started my journey, I was exactly at the same stage, unclear and highly confused about what program and institute to choose after my CLAT exam. While I was exploring my options to go for a private law institute, and that's when I came across the Institute of Law Nirma University. After some research and opinion gathering from some of my law seniors and alumni, I found that Nirma is one of the top private law institutes, and the program offered here can really boost my career opportunities. The institute gave me a really good chance to work on my professional and real life skills through various student clubs, committees, activities, workshops, and events. The BLLB and the BCom LLB honors program at Nirma follow an advanced curriculum that aims at holistic growth of student and encourages us to push the boundaries. Personally, I felt the faculty members are more than just teachers. They're more like family to us. They continuously support us not just academically but beyond that. Even during the lockdown period, we had fixed schedules for the online classes, written assignments, webinars, projects, group discussions, and so much more to help us be on the right track. One thing that really attracted me to the institute was the compulsory internship program at the end of every semester because it let us put our knowledge into practice and learn even better. Thanks to the well-designed curriculum and the budget-friendly fee, I've got the best of everything that a law student would ask for. Also, the campus is located in Ahmedabad, which is probably one of the safest cities in the country, so even my parents were positive about it. I can confidently say that I made the right decision for myself, and being a part of the Nirma legacy is an honor.